Sorry that I didn't bring the raw video, my Pro Plus, as well as the windshield with me. Voice might sound a little bit crappy and beaten up, but I have absolutely no idea what is this for, who or where or when they built this. All I know is this thing has probably sit over here singly, lonely for decades. There's so many of the painting and so-called artwork, name it whatever you like, on it, which just give overall that kind of feeling. Awesome big surprise.
머리 굴리는 소리가 나게 좀 해봐다 티가 나 티가 차 뭐가 그리 찔러나 지금 웃음이 나와 짜증나게 내가 뭐랬다고 네 머리 다리 팔이 떨려도 Yeah 도둑만아 제발 저렸지마 쥐잡듯이 잡아주지 now What you wanna do right now How stupid little dumb stop now 정말 다른 거 속인 거래 한 번 하면 또 한 대 버릇돼서 결국 끝난 제 옆에서 다 내가 미친 거래 너만 속아주고 가주고 하지마 자꾸만 나를 더 미치게 만들지 마 그렇게 깊게 걷지마 더 이상 믿어내 기식하며 Why don't you shoot my baby
Okay, so today we have actually changed our destination all the way to the
Arches
National Park, and as you can see here, surprisingly there seems to have a little bit of flood issue going on, which is, I heard, is a little bit unusual. Oh, fuck's sake! I'm fucking soaking wet. Jesus, didn't see that coming. Fuck's sake, but that was hell of fun, and I think I haven't seen like sea and beach and this kind of shit going on for like years since I probably come to America, you know. So, but that is absolutely nuts. She got a Manfrotto tripod, which is now completely in the sand and sea with us. And we probably need to figure out how to clean that up. That being said, it is gonna be a fun Photoshop workshop here, and I am absolutely, not only because I'm enjoying the view and everything, the photography experience, but just like a kid, you know, any kids, like, you know, you see that going on, just like all these sports and funs and enjoyment naturally, absolutely loving it.
我的鞋怎么还在？飞速100米跑。
哦呦，这小朋友，你看这小朋友衣服全湿。
农民工
내가 어쩌길 바래 나한테 정말 이러면 돼 앞에서 내가 못되게 해도 결국 속아주고 하지마 자꾸만 나를 더 미치게 만들지 마
Alright, so now we are heading to the beach, and try to catch the sunset. It is 8:10 right now, and I think the sun goes down by 8:30. Only me and my girlfriend, because it's pretty damn cold outside. And I think she's yelling because the view is probably gonna be stunning. It really is stunning. I mean, look at that. I mean, that tree is just perfectly symmetrical. Just see the shape of how it goes around the outside of the whole road, and it is something natural. It is just magnificent. That's probably the way that we're heading to. And someone's even got a little tent here. I guess I shouldn't keep them waiting for anymore because they are probably gonna come back. That view is really amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As I always said, life is all about passion, and thank you for sharing mine. And like and subscribe if you guys haven't, and I will see you guys next time. 他们3个肯定快要恨死我了，因为他们快要被冷死了。他们前面已经饿死了，他们已经哭了。不要走这边，走这儿走这儿。来，我翻罗海。